This is the first video of computer vision playlist, and this is an introduction about the computer vision. Computer vision is like the computer is having an eye and it can just watch what's around it. It can easily detect or recognize various objects to various humans through images or videos. But it's us who teaches the computer to gain its vision. So on the coming videos we can make lots of cool projects together by teaching our own computers to gain its vision. So now let's understand the basic terminologies. Image recognition, identifying objects, people or other patterns within the images or videos. Object recognition, it's not only about identifying various objects, but it also locates where the identified objects are in the image. Image segmentation, it's like to just shade and separate the detected object from the surrounding to understand well. As you can see, this man has been detected as a person and gets separated from other objects, and this makes the machine to have a greater understanding about the image. Face recognition, to identify and understand various phases of human by the facial features. Currently I'm just working on a research which is about post operational pain, and it is one of the pain which is caused after the operation or surgery. And in the coming videos we can work together to build up a model which could easily detect the post operational pain from the patient reactions. And this could be so much exciting to work with plenty of data, and we will be like producing our own data sets too. So for that, just stay tuned for it. Well, back to the video. So the next is gesture recognition. The machine understands the human hand gesture, and to understand this we have a real world application where we can make human sign language translator, where the machine helps us to translate the sign language to human talking language. I'll be also uploading a video about this too, and so that we can able to make it together. Scene understanding, it's like when computer understands the various visuals and the story behind it. Motion analysis, tracking out the movements of the objects in the video. And the last is 3D construction. By inserting multiple images from all degrees, the machine constructs a 3D model of it. So this computer vision is made possible by the working of neural network. Neural networks are just like human brains, where we have various neurons in our brain which gets activated whenever we do any activities. And basically this is the same thing where we have perceptron instead of the neuron, and the combination of perceptron leads to a neural network. So we use this neural network architecture to basically understand or implement any deep learning applications. Deep learning is like a brain of artificial intelligence, where using deep learning we can able to make lots of activities, and this computer vision is of the activities which could be performed using the deep learning. And the workings or the deep learning could be performed in various types. That is, we can have various types of neural networks such as recurrent neural network, a recursive neural network, feed forward neural network, convolutional neural network, etc. So for the computer vision we use the convolutional neural network. So to understand it, that's another story for another day. Thanks for watching.